title.
The Cell, the Hell in a Cell's the Undertaker's yard. And the Undertaker, that's his game, man. That's his deal. Brock Lesnar, in my professional opinion, he's in trouble. And Heyman and Lesnar know it's not the place you want to be with the Undertaker.
Oh, look at Benoit continuing the pressure on Rey Mysterio.
On the back of the kidneys. And that's where the mask is a problem. Benoit using the mask like it's hair and just snap-marrying him into the surfboard-like maneuver.
It's pretty apparent to me earlier on, Taz, that Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman had a plan. That plan was to take out The Undertaker to ensure there would never be a return match at No Mercy.
Backfired.
It did backfire. They did break The Undertaker's hand. But now Brock Lesnar's going into a match that he knows nothing about.
But Undertaker's a wounded animal. He's a wounded man. Sometimes when a guy's wounded, he gets more vicious. Sometimes he lays down. Undertaker, he ain't laying down. He's going to come into No Mercy with a blaze.
And you've known Paul Heyman for a long time. Have you ever seen Heyman as concerned as he looked when Stephanie broke the news to him?
I've seen him concerned about a lot of things, but not this concern. Full Nelson.
Look at this, Rey Mysterio.
Oh, wow. But right there, earlier we see Mysterio counter that wheelbarrow.
Here's the cover by